That saddle, what have you done to it?
Well, I've added pieces right from the first stack in it, and every piece of material of the seat.
So it's a complete rebuild of the saddle.
Yes, fully. Even all the leather's been washed and scrubbed and everything.
You got a trick with the washing, haven't you? You use laundry detergent in the...
Well, I always put Persil in the water to wash the leather. Soak it and then wash it. Always make sure it's cold water or nearly cold.
And your trick with the tacks, you're putting match heads in the holes.
Yes, you've got to fill up all the old tack holes because of tacks going back in again won't all in the same old holes, will they? It's not like a screw, isn't a tack?
And what are you doing here at the moment? You're putting the new surge on the...
Yes, this is the counterline in the surge on the back panel. This is the back panel and sweat flaps.
And
That goes inside there, into there.
right.
Now this is the other side.
So what's your next job there? You got to stuff that, or you...
Yeah, I've just got to go back a little bit more along both sides of here to about there.
Right.
Then I put this onto there.
And all your stitching's hand stitching.
Yes, or every stitch.
With the saddle, the first part of the saddle you showed me, you've had to actually take the top off that.
Oh yes, it's all been all the seats been redone, every stitch in it.
Oof.
What they call the tie down sewn to that. It pulls it down round on the tree.
That's where you use those special pliers.
Yes, to pull the thing over. These is what you call your tie downs. And fasten that leather seat to the tree.
Right. Where'd you collect your tools from?
Oh, bits and pieces here and there.
You're telling me you bought a number in a second-hand shop?
Oh yes. All
Some of your best tools?
the original gear of me start in 1931 in a second-hand shop in Parks.
In Parks?
Yes.
Are those hammers saddler's hammers, or they're upholstery hammers?
Yeah.
Got your match heads in there too. And the, and the fly swat. What's that for?
Oh, it's a bush, you know.
It's the... what do you call it?
Well, you've got me bait there.
Not sure what it's called. How do you use it? You hammer the padding down?
Yes, you just have a collar or a saddle padding.
Right.
That's, you know, so it's... Especially when you used to line them saddles for a start with the old dough here.
Yep.
It hammers it down because this has got to fit. If you follow that contour of the back of the saddle there, this has got to belly in. All right up the side. Right, and you've got that. You don't... there's all the brad holes, all your different brad holes.
For making a saddle in particular, what very special tools you need there? They're like those pliers you showed me.
Well, you have your compass and compass race. That's the compass race, that's just the plain compass. This is really a compass for marking anything. They both compass it now. Then there's all these edge tools. There's the thing for pulling the nails out of the tacks out of the saddle. There's a skewer. This is the idea of the, say if you got your thread in there, you're pushing it into the saddle and you just hold it and drive it like that.
Right. What's the end of it for, that open end? So
That's when you've got it into an article, you push it forward. So as when you can get the other end, you push this in there.
and pull it out.
And you pull it out, get it at an angle, and you pull it through.
Do you use a collar palm much yourself?
Oh,
So you're pushing it in there with the end of the collar palm.
yes. Now you put the drawing part out. Sometimes you have to use another needle to put a big that out, see? And you get it at that angle to draw it through the